So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be showcasing to you the pixel experience I've had on my Galaxy A52 and also teach you guys how to get this on your device. And by the way, we are on the road to hit 20k subscribers, so make sure you smash that subscribe button along with the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So with that being said, let's get started. So a couple of weeks back I have been testing out this new UI, or more like the new launcher, and the first major point I would say is the overall smoothness. So the phone is set to 90Hz refresh rate with the pixel launcher on, and as you can see, when I navigate to apps and other things, the animation and the overall feel is so smooth. From inbuilt apps to downloaded apps from the Play Store, everything is buttery smooth when you open them. The next thing I would like to mention is the way of scrolling the app drawer. So with the One UI, it was from left to right or right to left, but with this it's from top to bottom or bottom to top, so no more horizontal swipes. And the next thing is, when you are in the home screen and when you swipe from left to right, you can access a quick app menu which the One UI didn't have. So this is so useful if you want to navigate or open an app faster. And overall, if you're a guy who loves your phone to be more responsive and smooth, I would definitely recommend this for you to try it out. So now let's go ahead and see how to install this in your device. So first head on to Play Store, and then in the search bar type Action Launcher and select the first option, and then go ahead and install it. So I'll make sure I put the link in the description as well. So once done, just go ahead and open it. And then over here you can import any layouts, but I won't be doing that. I'll just click next, and then here we have three options. So you can either have the search box to be shown, or else you can have it in the top or bottom. So I prefer it to be bottom, so select whatever you want and then click next. And then you can have the app drawer option to be visible or not. I'll make it on because it looks much better, and then click next. Then go ahead and grant access to your wallpaper by clicking allow. And then finally, on the option which says I have read and accepted the privacy policy, click on it and then you're good to go. So there are some more further tweaks to be done, so let's go ahead and do that. So on your home screen, click and hold anywhere, and then select home settings, and then over here we have got bunch of settings, but I will be going only in the important ones. So click on quick bar, and then select the option which says quick drawer and turn it on. So it's a small icon next to the Google logo. Click on that, turn it on, and then go back, and then select appearance. Then go ahead and click on icon pack, and then select it to be pixel launcher, and then click OK, and then go back, then go to desktop and select the grid and make sure it's 5x5, and then click OK. And then go back once again, and then go ahead and click on dock and go and turn the whole thing off. So by turning this off, you can have a nice look in the dock area and it won't be disturbing us. So we are partially done, so let's go ahead and add some apps and then take a closer look. So once you're done setting up your preferred apps, go to the app menu and then select the prompt which says set the action launcher as a default home app, and then select the action launcher in that, and then click on always. So we have successfully completed setting up the new launcher, and there are so many other settings and features to play with. So you can go ahead and do that in your action launcher application program settings. And by the way, if you don't like this launcher, you can always go back to your default one. For that, go to your settings and then go to apps, and then click on default apps, then select home app, and then over there choose One UI home, and you are back to normal to your default Samsung UI. So that's pretty much it guys. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and as always, see you guys in the next one.